Triple pop. They even got a $10 guy on there, which is pretty rare. Man, come on. Come on. Oh, minor. That's 40. And I had one of these that only gave me 1 on the bottom. It was terrible. Come on. 1 on the bottom. Ah, it's actually paying pretty big up values. We're not getting the double bird though. Come on, 1 on the bottom. Double bird. Oh, $3. Whoa. Come on. Ah, no Phoenix. Oh, $5. Man, that gave a lot on that one. I've seen this give like $15 once. Oh, we needed 1 on the bottom. The extra spins really kind of pay out when you get the ultra spins as well. Because you have the potential to get a whole bunch of Phoenix. Ooh, nice. Come on. Double bird. Oh. Oh, come on. 1 up top. 1 up top. Ah, we're done up top. Man, that gave a lot. Jeez. Dang. Come on, give us 1 more up here. Ah. Very nice. Man, $40 minor. I like that.